Have you ever felt like the world is moving faster than you can keep up? Like your thoughts are trapped in a straight line, but life keeps throwing you curveballs? That's because, as human beings, we have linear brains, designed to process information step by step. Yet we live in an exponential world where events unfold unpredictably, and connections emerge from patterns we can't always see. This mismatch often leaves us feeling out of sync, anxious, or overwhelmed. But here's the thing. This isn't just a cognitive issue, it's deeply existential. In my work with severe trauma, I call this tension spiritual gravity. It happens when we let the ego, our linear, survival-focused center, act like the core of who we are. But what if I told you that the heart, our intuitive moral compass, is actually meant to lead? This shift in perspective mirrors a revolution as big as Galileo, proving the Earth isn't the center of the universe. Modern neuroscience backs this up, showing how our left brain excels at logic and order, while the right brain sees patterns and relationships. The problem? We've become left brain dominant, filtering the world through ego-driven control rather than heart-centered connection. Philosophers like Simone Weil and Gabriel Marcel hinted at this imbalance long ago, urging us to reclaim hope and attention to life's deeper truths. I build on their insights by suggesting that suffering isn't just a flaw, it's a symptom of disconnection. And healing begins when we realign with the heart as our true center. But there's more. Becoming whole-brained isn't just about personal growth, it's evidence of human evolution. Imagine a future where logic and intuition, structure and creativity work together seamlessly. This integration has the potential to shift us from being reactive and ego-driven to being responsive and heart-guided. When we evolve in this way, we don't just think differently, we feel and relate differently. We become more compassionate, more connected, and more humane. A whole-brained approach aligns with my concept of a humane universe, a world where our internal harmony reflects outward, transforming our relationships, communities, and even systems of power. So what does this mean for you? It means learning to integrate both hemispheres, the logical and the intuitive, to navigate life's complexity without being weighed down by it. This isn't just personal growth. It's a decision to embrace intentional evolution. And it starts by asking yourself, are you living from your ego, or are you guided by your heart?